Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Nitrogen and fluorine gas react in a rigid container to form nitrogen trifluoride. We must find the maximum pressure produced by this reaction.
First, look at the balanced equation where 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of fluorine. We must determine which reactant runs out first to find the total product yield.
Since we have 1 atmosphere of nitrogen and 1.8 atmospheres of fluorine, the fluorine is our limiting reactant. It requires 3 times the nitrogen to react fully every time. Using the molar ratio, 1.8 atmospheres of fluorine produces 1.2 atmospheres of product. That makes option B our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Always trust the given stoichiometry to find the limiting reactant.